Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, in this video, I am reviewing the US30 and Xauusd Hedging Scalper EA, and I'll be walking through everything that is available on its MQL5 marketplace page, including the features, settings, historical testing information, and my overall observations. Now, starting with the marketplace overview, this expert advisor is designed for MT4 and it is currently listed at a purchase price of 3,200 US dollars with a 1 year rental option available for 1,700 US dollars. The current version shown is version 1.0 and it includes 5 activations. Looking through the description, the developer presents this EA as a Forex hedging expert advisor built around what they describe as a no loss strategy. As always, it is important to approach claims like that carefully and focus on the actual functionality being described rather than assuming any guaranteed outcomes. The core concept behind the EA is a hedging approach. According to the description, it uses a dual position structure where both long and short positions can be opened on the same instrument. The goal is to reduce exposure to large directional moves by maintaining positions on both sides of the market. Moving further into the feature section, one thing highlighted is dynamic lot sizing. All right. And the EA is designed to adjust position sizing based on factors such as account equity, volatility, and market conditions, and all of that, right? So this allows the trade size to adapt rather than remaining fixed at all times. The developer also mentions dynamic stop loss and take profit management. Rather than relying on static levels, the system is described as adjusting these values according to changing market conditions. Another major component is real-time risk management. Okay, the EA continuously monitors market conditions and can modify, close, or add positions as market data changes. The description also references correlation analysis between currency pairs, which is intended to help identify additional hedging opportunities and diversify exposure. Now, customization appears to be a significant focus as well. Traders are able to adjust parameters such as lot sizing, stop loss levels, take profit levels, and hedge trigger settings to match their own preferences and risk tolerance. Now, the marketplace page also notes support for multiple currency pairs and automated trade execution, allowing the EA to manage trading activity without requiring constant manual involvement. Now, moving into the backtesting section, the developer states that the EA supports historical backtesting and optimization, allowing traders to evaluate performance using historical market data before deployment. However, I don't see specific testing methodology details provided here, such as every tick or open prices only, so I won't make assumptions about how the tests were conducted. Anyways, let's head over to our strategy tester, and we can see that I'm testing the US30 and Xauusd hedging scalper EA on the US30 index, and I'm using the H1 period. I'm using the every tick model actually, and I'm testing it over the past month. All right, so let's just quickly look at the report, and we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, there was a total net profit of negative $503.9. So that is roughly negative 1% of the balance. And we can see that total trades taken were 1,984. This is indeed a scalping EA. Despite the fact that the testing was done over the past month, we still have close to 2,000 trades taken. We can see that short trades were 988 with 46.86% win rate. Long positions we are 996 with 48.59% win rate. The largest profit was $1,000. Largest loss was $1,000. The average profit was $25.91. Average loss $24.14. So based on the average profit and average loss, I can see that the risk to reward ratio, judging from this, is roughly around 1:1. And when you put that side by side with the win rate, of course you'll be expecting negative net profit, because for a risk to reward ratio of approximately 1:1 and you have a win rate that is below 50%, it's just normal expectations for the total net profit to be negative, right? But remember that these are just historical backtest results, right? They don't guarantee future performance. And now, just for us to see how the EA functions actively, let's just quickly turn on the visuals, and I'm just going to repeat these same settings, okay, just for a bit, for a moment. Let's see how the EA is going to be. Let's see the EA in action, basically. Okay, so we can see how the EA is executing trades, right? You can see alongside the TP and SL orders, and we can also see the spread here, and the status is working. All right, so looking at the historical chart activity and results, the behavior appears consistent with the hedging focused structure described by the developer. Now, since the strategy is designed around maintaining offsetting market exposure, the chart activity should be evaluated in the context of how positions are managed over time, rather than focusing solely on individual trades. All right, now from an observational standpoint, the historical analysis is intended to demonstrate how the EA responds to changing market conditions while utilizing its risk management framework and hedging structure. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis only. Future performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices, amongst others. Now, I'll also recommend running longer term testing yourself, so you can develop a broader understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments and different volatility conditions. Overall, the US30 and Xauusd Hedging Scalper EA is presented as a hedging focused automated trading solution with dynamic position sizing, customizable risk controls, multi-pair support, and built-in optimization capabilities. Now, whether it fits your trading objectives will ultimately depend on your own testing, risk tolerance, and evaluation process. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.